Good morning everyone and welcoming all the students of class 2. Today we are going to start English grammar class. Please take out your English book, chapter 10, page number 36. In page number 36 you can see articles the. So now today we are going to learn articles the, where we use the and when we use the. हम लोग कैसे the को the word को कैसे use करते हैं. Okay? Now you can see the is used before particular person or things. We use the when we talk about a particular person. Visheshta. Particular means vishesh. Okay. Now we talk about a particular person, things like for example the mountain, the sky, the moon, the Ganga river, like this. Okay. It is used before the name of rivers, mountain, oceans, monuments, holy books and unique objects. We talk about the rivers, the mountains, the oceans, the monuments, the holy books and unique objects. So we use this word, the word, in this particular rivers, mountain, ocean, monuments, holy books and unique person. The sun, the moon, the Bible, the stars. Example, famous building. Now famous building, when we are talking about famous building, we used to talk about like this: the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, the Red Fort. Mountains, the Himalayas mountains, the Alps rivers, the Ganga, the bees, the Yamuna. And books, the Gita, the Bible, the Quran. And heavenly bodies, the sun, the moon and the stars. So we use the in these words, in this sentence, like the Himalayas. So here we use the. Is Himalayas? No, this is wrong. Okay. So we use the in this sentence. The Himalayas, the Alps, and in rivers, in river words we use like this: the Ganga, the bees and the Yamuna. So books, the Gita, the Bible, the Quran. Like this we use the sentence in these words. Okay. Now you can see the is used before a particular person or a things. The हम लोग कब use करते हैं? जब भी हम लोग किसी particular person, things or place, when we talk about them, so we use the. We didn't use is, am or are. Am we use, when we talk about ourselves we use am, but when we talk about a particular person, things, monuments, rivers, we use the. Like this you can see the examples. Now you can see the mountains, the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, the Red Fort. You can read here by yourself also. So you can see the exercise of assignment, how we use the. Okay, take the correct option. The articles, the will come before. The Himalayas, the book, the pen. When the articles come, articles the कब आता है? जब हम लोग ये word को use करते, कब आता है? The Himalayas, book or pen. So we use the in these articles, the Himalayas. In a mountain word we use the. Okay. Now in next page you can see the will not come before. What will not come before the? कौन सा word में the नहीं आता है वो आप लोग को करना है. You can see this: ice cream, moon, red fort. The ice cream, हम लोग कभी भी ice cream को use करते हैं तो the use नहीं करते. The moon, we use the before moon, right? But we didn't use in ice cream word the ice cream. हम लोग जब भी बात करते हैं तो हम लोग क्या use करते हैं? Ice cream, not the ice cream. So ice cream is not come before the. Okay. So you can take this. Which sentence is correct? Now you have to correct the sentence. Earth is a planet, the earth is a planet and earth is a planet. Earth is a planet. So this is a wrong sentence and earth is a planet. हम लोग द अर्थ इज अ प्लानेट, एन अर्थ इज अ प्लानेट. हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं, कौन सा वर्ड यूज करते हैं, द अर्थ इज अ प्लानेट. सो अर्थ क्या है, प्लानेट है. सो द, वी यूज द इन दिस सेंटेंस. सो दिस इज अ करेक्ट सेंटेंस. Fill in the blanks with the. You have to fill the box with the, like this. The Taj Mahal, the Taj Mahal, the Ganga. Vicky is in the room, not am or. हम लोग यहाँ am or यूज को नहीं करते, हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं, Vicky is in the room. The moon is round. The moon is round. A woman is near the pillar. Woman कहाँ पे है, पिलर के पास, near the pillar. The dash Gita is a holy book of Hindus. So the Gita, जो बुक है, होली बुक, बाइबल बुक, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुरान. कुरान भी एक बुक है मुस्लिम का. सो वी यूज द कुरान, नॉट a Quran or an Quran. So we use the Gita is the holy book of Hindus. Okay, like this. You can see the examples. The Ganga, books, the Gita, the Bible and the Quran. When we talk about book, we use the. When we talk about rivers, we use the Ganga, and mountains, the Himalayas. Okay. So insert the and write this sentence. So I will give you one example how to write. Rest of this you can do yourself. Okay. Earth is a planet. Now how we have to write, the earth is a planet. So like this you have to do. You have insert the. Okay. Peacock is our national bird. How we have to use the peacock. The peacock is our national bird. The peacock is our national bird. So like this you have to do. This is your homework. Page number 37. Exercise C, question number 3, 4, 5, you have to do yourself. Okay. So now you can see this. Page number 36, exercise A, exercise B, C. You have to do this in your copy. So we have finished the chapter, how we use the and when we use the. Article the. The is used before a particular person. As usual I said you, the कब हम लोग यूज करते हैं, when a particular person thinks. So these are the examples. You can see in page number 36. Okay. So for today this much. Thank you. Have a good day.